Welcome everyone to the jungle. Look at this dangerous Maka, puss Maka in the heart of the Blue Mountain jungle in.
They use it to burn coal as well.
Yes.
See it off and a Maka.
Thanks to all our new subscribers and welcome wherever you are watching this video from. Please give this video a thumbs up. All my loyal man, it's very dangerous. Several times I get cut by all these stuff. See my fans.
One catch me.
Tell him hush.
Real puss clear.
Tell him hush, man. All them people in Africa, you see how we rock in Jamaica, Asian people down in India, Philippines, America, and all them beautiful ladies in America. Big up yourself, Teresa and Meggy Meg, find John, Florida. This is how we Jamaicans soldier rock in the jungle. One thing our jungle, we don't have any lion and zebra and tiger and all those stuff anyway in our monkeys. You can subscribe and you can share and you can comment on it and tell your friends and family about this channel wherever you're watching from.